we present MVNet, a compressive neural representation for efficient modeling and visualization of large multivariate scientific datasets. Modern simulations such as weather and climate models generate massive data across hundreds of variables, making storage, transfer, analysis and visualization more challenging. Majority of the existing methods, such as linear interpolation and compression techniques, compress one variable at a time, treating them independently but jointly modeling multiple variables can offer better compression quality trade-offs while preserving multivariate correlations in scientific data. So, can we model hundreds of variables using a single compact neural model while still preserving high-quality reconstruction and meaningful correlations? MVNet addresses this through a compact implicit neural representation with parameter sharing. It learns a continuous mapping from spatial coordinates to all variable values, and with a residual siren backbone, it efficiently captures fine-scale structures and high-frequency details. To evaluate MVNet, we conducted extensive comparisons with other methods in data space, image space, and feature space. MVNet consistently achieved higher reconstruction quality, better visual fidelity, and stronger feature preservation for the same storage. We compared MVNet with the copula-based statistical summarization approach, where MVNet achieved significantly better results. For multivariate analysis, we examined both Pearson correlation for linear relationships and mutual information for nonlinear dependencies, and MVNet showed strong preservation of intervariable relationships. Overall, MVNet provides a compact representation of large multivariate scientific datasets. It achieves superior reconstruction quality and compression compared to existing methods, while preserving the intervariable relationships that are essential for scientific analysis. For more details, please join the talk at the Indian Conference on Computer Vision, Graphics and Image Processing on the 20th of December 2025 at IIT Mandi.